How to hide friends list on your Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your friends list on your Facebook. So to do that, first of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and then simply tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and then go to settings and privacy. Now go to settings and then on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the little magnifying glass icon. Simply tap on it. And now where it says search settings, simply type in privacy. Now go to privacy and there scroll down and there under how people find and contact you, you can see the option who can see your friends list. Simply tap on it and now you'll be basically provided with 4 options. So in order to hide your friends list from everyone, all you have to do is simply tap on the option only me, and if you want only your friends to see your friends list, you can simply set it to friends. Otherwise you can simply tap on the option more and then choose only me. That way your friends list will be hidden from everybody. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.